Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Slack for task updates using Workflow Bots step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Slack website or open the Slack application on your device. If you don't already have an account, click on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create a new workspace by entering your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Slack and click on it to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace by entering a workspace name and selecting a URL. Now, invite team members to join your workspace by entering their email addresses, or you can skip this step for now. After setting up your workspace, log into Slack using your credentials. In your workspace, locate the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to open the app directory. In the search bar, type in Workflow Builder and select it from the results. Click on the Open button to launch the Workflow Builder. Once inside, click on Create to start a new workflow. Choose Start from Scratch for a tailored workflow experience. Name your workflow something descriptive, like Task Update Notifications. Select the trigger for your workflow, such as New Channel Message or Scheduled Date. Configure the trigger by selecting the channel where task updates will be posted. Next, click on Add Step to include an action following the trigger. Choose Send a Message to notify team members about task updates. Fill in the message details, making sure to include relevant information about the tasks. You can mention specific team members by their usernames in the message. After customizing your message, click on Save Step. Review the entire workflow to ensure all configurations are correct. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your workflow live. You can now test the workflow by triggering the set event, like posting a new message in the designated channel. Monitor the responses to verify that team members receive the task updates correctly. If needed, return to the Workflow Builder anytime to make adjustments or updates. Enjoy streamlined task updates through your Slack workspace using Workflow Bots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.